You're gonna need 2 containers or pots, some potting soil or topsoil, and some chicken wire. You're probably gonna wanna duct tape the ends so you don't accidentally cut yourself, or you can go out and get a metal strainer if you don't already have one. Alright, so you're gonna need to put your metal strainer on top of your largest pot, and then you're just gonna need to strain your dirt. So what we're doing is we're pretty much getting all of the large material out that would damage small sprouts so that it's an easy growth for them. Alright guys, so as you can see, we already have a lot of soil. And it's just nice and light and fluffy. And that's how much stuff that was in there that would have been in the way of the sprouts' roots. Or it could have kept the sprouts under the ground.